Hello, I'm Thomas, from Lions Equipment. With over 45 years of expertise, we're your go-to team for car lift repairs in Milton, Keynes. Whether it's a 2-post, 4-post, or scissor lift, our highly skilled technicians are ready to tackle any issue, ensuring repairs are done right the first time. We excel at diagnosing and fixing hydraulic leaks, electrical malfunctions, worn components, and safety concerns with state-of-the-art tools and genuine parts. Our comprehensive repair services, including emergency repairs, designed to minimize downtime and keep your operations running smoothly. Choosing us means opting for quality, competitive pricing, and outstanding customer service. We offer transparent quotes, maintenance plans, readily available parts, and warranty options to support your long-term success. If your car lift needs repair, don't hesitate to contact us for a fast, reliable service. Call us at 01280822089, email at service@lionsequipmentuk.com, or visit our website. We're dedicated to minimizing disruption to your operations, ensuring you're back on track quickly. For more details, read the full article linked in the description. Thank you for considering Lions Equipment for your car lift repair needs.